After moving to the United States, I dreamed of becoming an interior designer. Then, I dreamed of mastering DIY on my own. Now, I'm helping dreams come to life for others too. I'm Fariha Nasir, and when it comes to your dream room, all I need is a day.
Welcome to your new space, you guys!
This is Dream Room in a Day. So I moved to Houston from Karachi, I think 10 years ago, and it's one of the biggest moves I've made in my entire life. I feel like Houston just welcomed us with open arms. It's been amazing living here. It's so important to welcome new beginnings and change and not worry so much about what's gonna happen. So this home was actually the first space that I truly let myself loose with all my design ideas and experimented with everything from color to texture to furniture. I just let myself loose in here. And it's just been so good to be able to take a blank slate and just see my vision come to life. New beginnings can be scary and just nerve-wracking, but change is what makes you grow. Glyn and Matt are a sweet young couple. They live in the Heights and they have amazing style to begin with. The rest of the home is pretty much done, but they haven't tackled the nursery because they have a sweet little boy coming and they're short on time, so I'm just so happy that I'm able to help them out with that.
We bought this home about 6 months ago and we're just getting settled before our baby boy arrives. I have been following Fariha for a while now and I'm super impressed by her style and DIY projects. She's super talented and I'm just really excited to see what she brings into this little room. We are at the Bach family residence and oh my goodness, look at that cute little brick house. Let's go. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good.
Come on in.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, Glyn, your home is so beautiful.
Thank you so much. We've had some time to get the rest of the house in order, but we have a baby boy coming
Oh my goodness,
in
I
just a
can
few
see.
short weeks. So we're happy to have you here.
I'm here in their home. It's so pretty. I love everything they've done, but time is rolling. We need to get started. They don't know what's coming. So I know we don't have a lot of time. You're due in a few weeks, so I'm here to kind of walk you through the process, maybe see what we can do in here, and give you some pointers. So let's go see the nursery.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
Right this way. Okay, here it is. A blank canvas.
Glyn has a great vision to begin with. I think I'm just gonna take her ideas a step further and let that vision come to life.
We've been staring at this empty storage room for weeks now, and I'm just so excited to have a little help.
I love that there's an empty start, like a fresh start to this room. So tell me, Glyn, what do you have in mind for this space?
I just want to create a little sweet space that's calming and a good spot to bring our boy home.
I absolutely love this little angled wall because it's such a fun character to this room. And I think we can definitely use this and plan our design around it.
Okay.
And I love that you have a warm, cozy, neutral space in mind because that's totally my jam. I love the neutrals. I'm thinking of textures, lots of fun, cozy textiles, maybe some kind of texture on the wall. The nursery has the sweetest little window. I love that there's an angled wall in there. It adds so much character, and I think I'm gonna have some fun with that. And in terms of color, we're thinking to stick to the light neutral, something light and airy.
I love that.
Yeah, something calming.
Yes.
All right, you guys, I have a surprise for you. So normally a nursery like this with a makeover would take about several weeks. but we don't have that kind of time on hand. So I'm gonna be able to give you your dream nursery in 24 hours.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, that's so
Thank you so
awesome.
much.
I can't believe she's gonna pull this off in 24 hours. I think Fariha is amazing at what she does. I've seen her work before and she just has a very cool vibe and I love it.
The relief on their faces. I can see that they're so pumped about this makeover. With a baby coming, there is so much to think about. This is just one big thing off their plate.
I feel like the monkey's off my back. I cannot wait, and I'm so happy.
The paint crew is here. It's a small room, but we've got our work cut out for us. I'm a super slow painter. I take my time and my breaks. So I want to show Glyn a super cool trick to save her paint and cut her time in half. Painting a room can take hours or more than a day if you're slow like me. So when you're wanting to take a break from painting, this is the tool you want to have on hand. This is the Pelican paint pail, and it has a lid that goes right on top and it seals the paint so you can save it. All right guys, I'm gonna show you how to cut in using this 2-inch short handled brush right here. I love that it's got a short handle. This makes it easier for my tiny hands. But you want to go ahead and try?
Sure.
There we go. Yay, Glyn. So we're using cottontail in here, which is just such a perfect neutral for this cute little nursery. All right, you guys, this baby is coming now in a few weeks, but we have to get started. I'm gonna get Glyn and the fam out so we can get working. I have a fun idea in mind for this angled wall that's in there. So when I saw it, I wanted to make it part of the design. And I think I'm gonna do a slat wall with 1x2s and let's see what she thinks about it. Accent walls are such a great way to add texture and interest to a blank room. Instant focal point, just lots of texture on the wall. It's just so fun to add to any room. So Glyn's friend actually painted some beautiful artwork for the nursery, and I want to incorporate that into the design of this room. So we're taking that as a source of inspiration, pulling colors from it, adding that into smaller pieces in the decor, and just tying it all together. All right, it's time for our glidden tips. Before you start painting, read that label on the can. So it's gonna give you that important information about dry time between coats and stick to that. So you're not gonna end up with that tacky finish in the end. It's the final little details that are gonna make this room so special when everything is ready for Glyn to see. So I found the perfect pieces for this room. I'm going with some bohemian woven decor for the art. Got some cute animals, and I'm so excited to just put everything together. All right, you guys, Glyn, Matt, how are we feeling?
I'm excited.
So we've been in there all day. I'm sure you've heard us in there. Your nursery is ready.
Oh my gosh, I
Can't wait to see it.
Yeah, do we want to go see it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Come on in, you guys.
Wow.
Oh, yes. I am so happy to see how happy they are. This baby is going to love his room.
Wow. I can't believe it. It looks so amazing. I never thought it would look this good.
It is perfect.
It's really,
perfect.
truly perfect. This slat wall, wow. It turned out so good.
I'm so glad. I love how it turned out. I'm so glad we did this.
It's amazing.
I love that we use this angled wall to just make it part of the design. And I think the slat wall really makes it just look like it belongs. Like it doesn't look out of place anymore, because otherwise you have this awkward angled wall.
It's
And-
so cool the way it goes up. Oh my gosh.
Love how that accent wall turned out. It's exactly what I imagined it would be like.
I love the paint color in the closet. It's such a fun pop. And that wallpaper, where did you find that?
It's so pretty. I love it too. And then do you notice how everything is very creamy white, and then the contrast that it provides?
Yes, I love that.
So even though the room is all white, there's still 2 different shades of white going on in here. I wanted to differentiate between the walls and the ceiling. So we have a more crisp, true white on the ceilings, and then we have a creamier, softer white on the walls, Cottontail by Glidden. And what do we think about it? Do we like the warmth that it gives to this room?
I love it. It's perfect. It's not too white. It's just a little touch of color and warmth. I love it.
I'm so glad. What do we think about the light fixture? The fan is gone.
I haven't even looked up. Oh, we'll miss that fan. I love it. That's so beautiful with the brass and black. Wow.
Yeah, I went with brass and black just to kind of introduce some metals to this room, because everything's so natural fibers. There's a lot of like natural textiles and natural materials going on in this room, so the black and brass can just breaks that up a little bit.
Yes.
I love this crib. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, so I wanted to do something white, something crisp white in here, because everything in this room is so modern, and there's a lot of like natural wood tones in here, so this crisp, glossy white just stands out, and it still goes with the whole modern bohemian theme of the nursery, and it has this subtle different color on the legs, and I just love that little detail about this crib.
I love that.
Yeah?
And the skirt looks so good with it.
Are we ready to bring baby boy home?
Yes! Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
You are so welcome. I'm so glad that I get to be a part of this journey for you guys, and I'm so honored that you let me come and just do my thing with your space.
Thank you. Well, you made our dreams come true in here.
In a day.
In one day.
I feel like this room is a total new beginning for them, and they're gonna be able to welcome their baby boy into a special, just beautiful room. I love it for them.
This is just an awesome thing that we're never going to forget. Every time we go in to change his diapers or put him down, we're always going to be so thankful for the work that Fariha did.
I'm just relieved, and now we can just sit back and wait on this baby to get here and enjoy this little room until then, in many years to come.
Bait! We got DIY, we got some cute new pieces in. That's what I call a dream room in a day.